Hello, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location.
Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.3, which is the good
Room category first.
you can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, menu, amenities, accessories, and images, etc. Category C. Room category third. Room category fourth. Category fifth. Room category sixth. Room category seventh. Category 8. Category 9. Room category 10th. Room category 11th. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen.
11 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Pets are not allowed in this hotel.
The location of the hotel is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
The resort accepts major credit cards and resort. The right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 1 p.m. Check-out time is 10 p.m.
Guests are encouraged to at check-in.
Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
For booking or more details, check description below.
If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.